Hello, happy Earth Day. To celebrate, we're going to be making some seed starters. It's a really easy craft. There are a lot of things that you can do to help the environment, and big and small, they all matter. This is something that you can do with very few materials. All you need is some eggshells, or an egg carton, or even a toilet paper roll if you close up the bottom. If you're using an eggshell, chip away at the top until it makes a cup shape. Make sure the opening is big enough that you can get in there. Have an adult use a sharp object to make a small hole at the bottom. This will let the water drain out of it. The calcium in the eggshells will help the plants grow healthy and strong. When that's done, take some soil, either dig it up from the ground or use potting soil, and fill up the egg. Leave a little space before the top. Don't fill it up all the way, because we want room for the seeds and for more soil on top. Take whatever seeds you can find, whether they're in a package or something out of your kitchen, and sprinkle them on top of the soil. Then take some more dirt and fill up the rest of the eggshell. Now you should add some water. Give them a good drink. You should always water plants after you plant them. If you want to use an egg carton or another piece of cardboard, cut out one of the cup shapes, unless you want to plant them right next to each other, in which case you can leave it whole. Make sure you use a cardboard egg carton for this craft. Don't use plastic. If you're not using the whole egg carton, make sure you recycle whatever's left over. The rest of the steps are the same as when we made the eggshell seed starter. Add some dirt, the seeds, cover them up, and add water. I mentioned before that there are things in your kitchen that you can use for seeds. Try different things to see what works. I've had a lot of luck with lemon seeds. And beans, if they're undried or uncooked, can also be a lot of fun to use. There you have your seed starters. Now put them in a sunny place and wait for them to sprout. When they're a little bit stronger, you can put them outside and plant them in the ground. Because the eggshells and the cardboard are both biodegradable, which means that they'll break up when they're left outside, you can plant them right in the ground without even taking them out of the starters. When they start to sprout, they'll look like this. Try planting some flowers bees will like, a tree, or some food of your own. We live on a pretty incredible planet. It's the only one known to have life anywhere. Because it's so special, it's important to take care of it. Planting things is one of the many things we can do to help the environment, but there are a lot of other things you can do too, like limit how much water you use, turn off the lights when you're not using them, try not to throw out as much, and recycle what you can. But one of the most important things we can do for Earth is to learn about it. The creatures that live here, the threats it faces, and what we can do to help. And to keep it in mind every day of the year, not just Earth Day. Thank you for joining me. Happy Earth Day. Bye.